Holy shit.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the larvae. Look at this. This is the larvae. So we take this. Normally we cook in the leaves.
You cook in the?
Yeah, on the leaves.
Okay.
You wrap it, or you can boil it too,
Okay.
or you can make twisted too, like barbecue. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You see the oil?
Muy rico.
Oh, fuck.
Special eat.
You see this oil? It's good too.
This is oil?
For the medicine.
Oh, man. Yeah.
Yummy, yummy.
Okay.
You? How?
No, I think it's okay.
I give you $100.
Seriously? I can think of that.
No, you can eat.
Okay.
Okay, how?
No, I think it's fine.
So yeah, you can eat like this directly if you don't.
I don't want to
Sometimes when
puke
they're
after
looking
eating this.
they're looking for these larvae. Sometimes they cut with machete.
Mhm.
So come like this.
But you can eat it just like this without cooking.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Normalmente las personas los consumen crudo.
You can just eat crude, okay?
Crudo es
Fuck.
toda la,
Very nice.
todo el contenido
Very sweet.
medicinal está es cuando está vivo.
It's sweet? Oh, fuck. Shit.
Yummy,
You're
yummy.
serious.
Liquor.
Okay. You are the jungle man.
So this is very special here for us.
Your breakfast is done now.
Yeah, after this, yes.
Oh, man.